Welcome to Basket of Tales, a time travel into the world of stories.
Today I am here with another story, The Bug and the Flea from Panchatantra. It's about how the flea falls into trouble by believing a stranger. In a certain country, there lived a king who had a very beautifully decorated bedroom. In the corner of the bed, there lived a white flea. She fed on king's blood without anybody noticing and spent her life happily. One day, a bug managed to enter the beautifully decorated bedroom of the king. When the flea saw the bug, she alarmed him. "Hello, bug, you have come to the wrong place. This is king's room. Leave this place before someone notices you." The bug answered, "Dear, this is not the proper way to treat a guest. You should greet your guest with sweet words and offer something to eat. I have tasted most types of blood of animals and humans, but never got a chance to taste the royal blood. I believe it must be very tasty, as the king eats healthy and tasty food. I would love to enjoy the king's blood if you allow me." The flea thought for a while and said, "Oh bug, you suck the blood horribly. I suck the blood when he is in his deep sleep. You may also taste the royal blood if you promise to hold yourself till the king is asleep. Moreover, first I will feed myself and then is your turn." The bug agreed to the flea's term. Soon after, the king arrived in his room to sleep. The bug was getting impatient and decided to sip the blood of the king. As the king was not in deep sleep, he jumped out of his bed at the bug's horrible bite. The king called his servants to enquire what was in his bed that caused him discomfort. The servants searched the bed minutely. In the meantime, the bug cornered himself in the bed. While searching the pleats of the sheet, they found a flea between the pleats. They killed her, and the king went to sleep. So friends, from this story, we came to know that the false promises made by friends as well as strangers have no value. You end up paying for it. So, it is always better to be careful with strangers. I hope you enjoyed listening to this story. And remember our 4 B's. Be kind, be honest, be helpful, and be good. This is Miss V from Basket of Tales signing off. And we'll meet with the next story. Thank you.